Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Ulusoyame. In this quick video, I want to show you how to extract email addresses from search engines, from website, and through keywords, or you can extract the whole of the website. Now, I don't want this video to be lengthy. I just want to show you how powerful this software is and how you can easily use this for your email marketing. If you are an email marketer and you don't have tools and resources to get started in your email marketing business, it means you are not ready for your email marketing business. So this software are one of the powerful tools I use to get work done in a jiffy. And come to think of it, it doesn't require any longer time. Within 3-5 minutes, I'm done, and I'm receiving my money from my clients. And also, you can use this service. You can use this service on Fiverr, on PPH. So there are so many people offering this service, so you can also join. And this is a powerful software. It's unique and it's very, very powerful. Without wasting much time, I will just there is this popular website, nairaland.com. I want to demonstrate it. I want to show how powerful this software is, and you can also use keyword. I don't want to bore you with the length of the video, so that is why I want to keep it short. So let's get started right away. Now I want to extract from, let me say, nairaland.com. So I'll just input nairaland.com. I want to extract all the emails that are in Nairaland, all the emails in different groups, every email that are in Nairaland. I want to extract them, but I will stop it at the middle of the way because I don't want it to be long. I will just show you the demonstration. And this software is bad. It's very, very powerful, and I advise you to get this software. If you're an email marketer, get this software. It's very powerful. It will help you a lot in your email marketing business. And also, there is another one I showed in my other YouTube channel, in my other YouTube video that I uploaded on my channel. So that one too is for Facebook, and it's very, very good. So combination of this Facebook and this, it means you are done. You are ready to start your email marketing business. Let's get started. Nairaland.com. Once you input nairaland.com, just click this arrow. So just click add URL list. So this URL is dig up to 11. You can put it at 5. Number of process, you can put it at 15. I can increase it if I like. Then choose same domain name, same domain only. It means it will start from Nairaland only. But if you choose same domain and external link, if there are external links in Nairaland, it will also extract, or same web page only. Because if you have any web page, maybe a page containing emails of people, you can just put that, bring that URL there, and it will extract. Now, once you are done with this, just click on start search, and let's see the magic. Okay, I've started the searches, so let's wait few minutes. Okay, can you see it's still loading? Can you see? Now it's generated 20. Can you see the way it's passing it? Can you see? Nairaland.com/, can you see the way it's going? It generates both emails and phone numbers. So can you see it's still going? So I don't know when it will stop. I don't know. So it's still going. Can you see 22 emails now? 22 emails. Can you see now? Now can you see it's about 319 emails now? Can you see this computerglobaltech@gmail.com? Can you see? So in fact, I don't know when it will stop. I will just go ahead and stop this. So just stop. So can you see? It has finished extracting. So another thing you can do here is you can filter the email list. Can you see at Nairaland? I don't want at nairaland.com to show. So I'll just apply. Can you see? Automatically it will delete any extension that contains at nairaland.com. You can also filter phone list. So you can save list. If I want to save it, I can save it as comma separated. So I can just save CSV file and just say Nairaland Ireland. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Mm, let me see this. Ebook covers. Okay, sorry, so Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands phones, Netherlands emails. Okay, I think this is today. Oh yes, this is it. So I'll just open this. So it has saved automatically both. Can you see emails and phone numbers? So these are the emails. Can you see? These are the emails. Can you see? Can you see? That's about 3:27 within how many minutes? How many minutes? So with this, this is a real email marketing business job that you can do. You can get the software. It's so powerful. There's a description on the link below. One thing about this software is that it can extract from search engines, from Google, for anything. Just copy the URL and just paste it there, and there you have it. So, guys, I think you've been able to enjoy this. Step up your email marketing business with tools and resources. Because without tools and resources, I bet you cannot succeed in email marketing business. So, guys, I want you to get the software, and I do hope you find it interesting. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a positive comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to push that ring notification so that whenever I publish another video, you will get an alert immediately. So, guys, enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching my channel, and have a blessed day.